Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So today I'm going to do a video on showing you guys how I put some highlights in my bob. I did a video showing you guys how I cut this bob. I'll insert the link somewhere right now so you guys can go and watch that if you haven't watched it already to see how I cut this bob. So this here is from Julia Hair Company. Already used Julia Hair Company before. Like, their hair is bomb. If you can bleach your hair 5 times and it's still good, you know the hair is bomb, which I did. So I don't have anything differently to say than my last video about Julia hair. The hair is nice. Like, the bleach very well. It took me like 15 minutes for it to get to this color. The movement, like, look at this. And it's very low maintenance. Like, you just need to brush and go. It's not gonna tangle. So I got 3 bundles and I only used 2 1/4 bundles plus the lace frontal. I said frontals, lace closure, I'm sorry. So this is Body Wave, Program Body Wave. I'll have all the link in the description bar about this hair. But I don't know what else to tell you guys more than this hair is good. I love Julia Hair Company. Like, I should turn around, right? I just wanted to add some baba boom to the weave. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna stop talking and get right into the video so you guys can see how I did these highlights in this bob. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment below and let me know what you think about this hair. And also, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, take care and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.